Welcome back. Well, we know rocket propulsion is the force that's used by the rocket to take off from the ground and up into the atmosphere. And to teach us a little bit more about that this morning, we have Adam Nunn with STEM Nola and college freshman, soon-to-be sophomore, Sean Blondell joining us now to show us how it all works. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
All right, so Sean's in the middle here, and I joked with Sean because you can see he's way taller than I am. We have STEM Nola guests come in. They're usually the kids will come in about this tall. They got to stand on boxes. I need to get on a box next to Sean here. Now, Sean, you started when you were a little kid with STEM Nola, and you're going to be teaching us about rocket propulsion. Will you walk us through what we're doing here?
Okay, so yeah, today we'll be doing Rocket Ballon. It's a simple experiment. So can y'all each take one end of the string?
We have a string here going across the table. I have a little blue straw here, it looks like, in front of me.
Yep, and to complete this experiment, we only need a few household items, which are balloon, string, straw, tape, and some scissors to cut your string in.
I'd say about 3 or 4 of those things you probably already have in your house already. All right, so walk us through what we got next.
All right, so first thing y'all will do, well, to begin with, you will put your straw onto the string.
Okay.
Next, both of y'all will take an end of the string, make sure it's taut.
Okay, there we go.
Then I will take a
Don't
balloon.
pull so hard, man. You're too strong.
So sorry.
Right,
so sorry.
That's good right there. No, just kidding. There we go. All right.
Once you have your string set up, you're going to take your balloon with where the air will go out facing outside.
And pretty simple, just right over the top.
Tape it down onto the straw.
Yeah.
Then as you release,
hey,
balloon
there
flies
you go.
out in.
Right on.
It's like it took the tape right off of there. It was going pretty fast.
So
there we go.
We can do it one more time to send it back.
And so again, all these things you could just do at the house, teaching kids just about propulsion. It seems pretty simple. The air out the balloon is pushing it across the string there.
Yep.
Boom. There you go.
Same thing happens.
Nice, nice. And so you walk me through, Adam, can you walk me through kind of the message behind this project? And again, STEM Nola doing stuff like this all the time. You have events all the time. I mean, that's pretty fun. But
Absolutely.
What does it really teach?
Absolutely. Actually, I think I can let Sean do the explanation.
Go ahead,
I think
Sean.
we're good.
I'll do the explanation.
About to be college sophomore, teach us now.
Yep, so this is kind of just to represent jet propulsion, Newton's third law. So every action has an equal yet opposite reaction.
Yeah.
So as we put the balloon on the straw, when air goes out one end, it shoots the balloon to the opposite end of the string.
Gotcha. And will you tell me about, so you started when you were how old with STEM?
I'd say I was about 9 years old.
When you started with this group here, and are you from New Orleans originally?
Yes, yes.
And so now tell us where you're at now.
So now I am at Howard University in Washington, D.C., going into my sophomore year studying mechanical engineering, from the influence of STEM Nola.
I mean, that's kind of, and I joked, I said, that is the system working at them.
Yeah.
Absolutely. That's what we're trying to create at STEM Nola, a cradle to career pipeline and an incubator for STEM across the southern Louisiana, but also across the country. So.
And so you see, this has got to bring something. You see the kids, and they got that wonder in their eyes when they're doing those projects. But you got this kid here coming up, growing up, becoming a man.
Exactly.
And now he gets to come in here and teach us something. What does that mean to you?
It's exactly what our company was set up to do, and it's incredible to watch. So
gotcha.
we love it.
And I was just joking. We got 4th of July coming up here. If you want, you could take all that. I mean, everybody wants to pop fireworks. I know. But this is honestly, you could take a lot of this stuff here with the kids and. It's a lot safer than fireworks, and kind of it's a little bit of a rocket action. There's something going on there.
And you can change the size of the balloons. You can change the amount of air you put in the balloon to vary to give the experiment variance. So.
Gotcha. Well, Adam and Mr. Blondell, we appreciate you. Continue your education there. All from the work of STEM Nola, a big motivator there. Thanks for joining us, guys.
No problem. Thank you.
All right, 9:26 now. This morning, flood.